Kisii segendrete chinsemo aho boigo maiga yokwerusa na niyakorwa somo bwa oka umuraiwe kama kia NC National Congress Mudavadi nigo bona nde baro siri oho mobonde bumanyakanite buna Kenya Kwanza ego chikubwatiranie kiama kia UDA kiama kia NC na boigo ne kiama kirigia Ford Kenya nigo msali atebire buna gwetera somo bwa Kenya Kwanza eba guchikuligerera litangani amaganio ya Kenya Mulikito Sara Nyarangi ontita baraza agotumanya
namatuka make aelire magega yomuraiwe kiama kia Amani National Congress ANC Musalia Mudavadi no muraiwe kiama gia Ford Kenya Moses Wetangula wochamo no mokonyi bomuraiwe nse Dr. William Ruto na korosio wamo wa Kenya Kwanza Allliance ime yamagacho abomas ime omochie o Nairobi. Ime ye kanisa ya St. Faith ACK ongata rongai county ya Kajiado Mudavadi naene kiabene okorosi wa kubwamo na goteba nigo bali nekiringa kyogo chakobokia uchumi.
We have made a formation called Kenya Kwanza. This is a coalition that brings together the UDA party, led by the Deputy President, William Ruto, Amani National Congress, ANC, led by myself, and Ford Kenya, led by Moses Wetangula. And we have stated that we want to have a coalition that puts Kenya first, a coalition that has clearly identified that Kenya's priority is going to be resuscitation of the economy.
Namenta goteba engenchenene kiama kia Amani National Congress getabwatesia azimio la umoja asobocholio bonene bolebosio.
ANC had told me very clearly that Azimio is not an option. So that is a project. It's a state project. And the Kenyans were saying hatutaki muradi wa serikali. Tunataka tuchague kiongozi wa Kenya.
Kenya Kwanza Allliance nigo kirene kirenga gyokubareta abakenya bonsi amo na gokoro bogesaku eliokwaga cha Kenya enyia asomo bunge Kajiado South kato olemetito ago keiro kobwatana kwa batatabwo na korosia obwamo.
What we want is to bring the Kenyans together, to make sure that they are focused. Wakenya wamechoka. Hawataki miradi ya serikali.
I want to confirm that those of us in UDA are really impressed to this formation of Kenya Kwanza.
Of God. Praise the name of the Lord.
Sara Nyarangi ontita Ndizi TV.